Welcome to a gentle story from Bridgewater, Nova Scotia. A tale about wind and wonder, about blueberry trails and salty dogs, about finding your way and finding new friends. This is The Little Sparrow and the Windy Day, written for the young and the young at heart, by Sparrow for Stephen and the Little Sparrow Store. Once upon a sunny spring morning in the town of Bridgewater by the La Have, a little sparrow woke up in a cozy nest above a children's shop called the Little Sparrow. He stretched his wings, chirped a little tune, and peeked out at the sky. "Today feels like an adventure day," he said, fluffing his feathers. The breeze tickled his tail as he soared up, looped over the bakery, and zipped past the library tower. But then, whoosh! A gust of wind spun him round like laundry on a line. "Oh no," chirped the little sparrow. He tumbled high, he tumbled low, past the river and over the trees, until, plunk, he landed dazed on a salty old dock in Lunenburg. A blue lobster with big gentle claws peeked out from behind a bucket. "Need a claw to hold on to?" he said. The little sparrow blinked. "Where am I?" "You're in Lunenburg, friend. Blown in by the wind, were you?" The sparrow nodded sadly. "I need to get home." The lobster waved a claw toward the path. "Go up the hill and ask the blueberry bear. She knows the woods and every blueberry patch between here and Bridgewater." So the little sparrow flew up the trail, past boats and pine trees and puddles. His tummy rumbled. Blueberry Bear was humming and picking berries. She wore a straw hat and smiled kindly. "Lost, little one?" she asked. "I got blown here by the wind," the sparrow explained, "and I want to go home." Bear gave him a warm blueberry muffin. "Home is that way," she said, pointing to the sky. "But wait until the wind is soft again." As the sun dipped low, a sweet tune floated through the air. It was the fiddling fox playing by a fire. "Stay and rest," Fox said with a wink. "Music makes the journey better." So they shared muffins and songs under the stars. In the morning, the wind had calmed. The little sparrow flapped his wings, thanked his new friends, and soared up high, over blueberry hills, past red sails and lighthouses, until, yes, there it was, the Little Sparrow Store. He landed gently on the windowsill, where soft music played and sweet clothes hung in tiny rows. A little girl inside looked up and smiled. The sparrow chirped once, fluffed his feathers, and curled up in his cozy nest again. That night, as the stars twinkled above Nova Scotia, the little sparrow dreamed of wind, blueberries, fiddles, and friends. And from then on, whenever the breeze blew just right, he knew every windy day could become a story. Thank you for joining us on this windy day adventure through Nova Scotia. We hope it brought a smile and maybe a muffin or two. The Little Sparrow was imagined and written with love by Stephen Noseworthy in Bridgewater, Nova Scotia, where the wind really can take you places. Story visuals and magical timing by Sparrow, your ever-curious creative companion from the land of dreams and pixels. Original voiceover by 1111 Labs. To every little one with big dreams, may your wings find the wind, and may your heart always find home. The end, or maybe just the beginning.